We were approached by the Memorial's 100th anniversary team probably about a year ago, asked if we were interested in helping create the danger tree. And I guess the significance to Beaumont-Hamel, to Newfoundland, is, I guess it resides with all of us, so we were immediately delighted to participate in it.
So the steps we had to take to create this danger trees, first we took the image, the archival photo, put it into our CAD software, and then created a 3D model based off the 2D image. From there we're able to transfer that into another CAM software, which generates the cut profiles for actually shaping the danger tree out of the raw material.
Well, the material is I believe it's a polyurethane mix of like silica dust and other glass powders held together with the polyurethane and formed into like sheets, like 2-inch thick sheets, 20 inches wide. So we took those and we layered them all together with this epoxy to be able to get these bigger shapes out of the bigger blocks. So, and then this is a solid core for the whole unit. And then the fiberglass is going to encase all of this from the weather, and then painted and then clear coated on top of that to protect it for many years to come, hopefully.
When we put the photo into our CAD software, what I was able to do was scale the photo to a size that seemed appropriate to the actual historical photo.
I think that the connection of over 110 years later, that we can take that photograph and turn it into a physical tree based off of that is a pretty unique thing to be able to do.
I think I really hope that it's authentic enough that it brings back a true memory of what our young Newfoundlanders were experiencing more than 100 years ago.